Welcome to the Self-Directed Citizenship Course. Self-directed means you are doing this course at your own pace, without an instructor. This course will help you prepare for the Canadian Citizenship Test and improve your reading skills. Please take a few minutes to watch this video, which explains how to use this course. I'll begin by clicking on the course link. Here we see the course homepage. At the top is the General section. It contains general information about the course. Below the General section are links to all of the course units: applying for citizenship, rights and responsibilities of citizenship, who we are, Canada's history until Confederation, Canada's history post-1867, modern Canada, government, elections, the justice system, Canadian symbols, Canada's economy, and Canada's regions. There's a lot of excellent material here. Click the button in the top left corner to show a navigation block. This block will help you navigate within the course and the whole site. Clicking this navigation button again will hide it. I suggest you keep it hidden to give you more space when working in the course. The links at the top are called breadcrumbs. They will help you to navigate this site. When you click on a unit name in the breadcrumbs, you are taken to the main page for that unit. When you click the course name in the breadcrumbs, you will be returned to the course homepage. Let's take a closer look at the General section. The Announcements forum displays updates and information about the course. The General Discussion forum is where you can ask questions or interact with other participants. Clicking Start here, Tips for Using this course, and Course Activities displays this video that you are watching right now. On the right side, you will see a menu which lists tutorials to help you learn how to use the different activities in the course. I will now click the course breadcrumb link to return to the main course page. Below the General section, you will see links to all of the course units. When you click on a unit title, the contents of that unit appear. All of the units have a similar structure. Here we see the Who We Are unit. At the top, you can see the unit checklist, a description of the learning outcomes, and this is followed by the unit glossary link. Below the unit activities heading, the activities for that unit are displayed. Now, there is only one activity available. When you start working on a unit, you will only see the first activity in that unit. After you complete this first activity, a tick is added to the checkbox next to it. After the checkbox is filled in, the next activity is automatically displayed below that activity. Only when we finish the second activity is the next activity available. You must work through each unit in this way to see and complete all unit activities. Every unit has a series of interactive reading activities. The readings are based on the Discover Canada Study Guide, the official study guide of the Canadian Citizenship Test. Each reading is presented with audio and vocabulary support. After the reading presentation, learners complete 3 follow-up activities: reconstructing the text, a reading comprehension exercise, and a vocabulary activity. Some other types of activities are also presented in the course. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete those activities. When you get close to the end of a unit, the unit review section will appear. It includes a flashcard activity to quickly review the unit content and a review quiz. After getting completion check marks for these review activities, the unit assessment will be available. You can repeat the review activities as many times as you want, but you may only attempt the assessment one time. Both the review quiz and the assessment require you to answer multiple choice questions, and both are timed. All units, except applying for citizenship, have an assessment. You can review the vocabulary in a unit using the optional games near the bottom. Because you do not have to do these activities, there are no activity completion checkboxes next to them. Finally, there is a unit feedback link for you to give us your comments on the unit. The course page does not show you all of the unit activities until you complete the unit. It only displays the activities you have completed and the next activity for you to work on. If you want to see all of the activities in a unit, including the hidden ones, you can click on the unit checklist at the top of the unit. This page shows you a list of all activities in that unit. The ones you have completed have check marks, which are automatically filled in when you complete the activity. The ones without check marks are hidden on the course page, except for the one currently available to you. There is also a progress bar on this checklist page. It shows how much of the unit you have completed. When you are in the main course page, you can quickly see how you are progressing in all units of this citizenship course. For example, this student, Jorge Garcia, has completed 88% of the Applying for Citizenship unit, 0% of the Rights and Responsibilities of Citizenship unit, and 0% of the Who We Are unit. Please progress through each unit, starting with Unit 1, Applying for Citizenship, completing it, and then moving on to Unit 2, Rights and Responsibilities of Citizenship, completing all of it, including the assessment, before starting Unit 3. You should complete all activities in a unit before progressing to the next one. A final quick reminder. There are links to video tutorials explaining how to do all of the activities in the Start Here module, which we looked at earlier. For example, if you want to see a video tutorial on Activity 3.3, just click on it, and then click on this link. The same applies for all of these activities. I hope this tour was helpful. Good luck on the course and on the citizenship test.